How are you guys doing? This is your chief and upline, Padman Senatiraja. And for the next 10 minutes, I want to talk to you about the most exciting 3 months of your life. Bonanza with a bang. Now, I did the first video, which most of you have seen, where I talked about why we created this Bonanza. Now, every end of the year, QNet gives us a gift. Bottom line, it's a gift. All right? The Bonanza is ultimately an opportunity for QNet to reward you for your 1 year of hard work by simply giving you more money than the commission payout. So if you look at our commission payout right now, for every 3 you get 250. All right? That's the comp plan. You know that very well. But during the Bonanza, what QNet gives you is an extra bonus. All right? So you must understand this point, that this next 90 days, the Bonanza period of 2011 up to January 2012, it's your chance, your opportunity to take advantage of these 90 days and earn much more than you would earn doing something last month. Simply put, we are rewarding you with more money for the exact same actions you are supposed to do anyway in QNet. All right? Because bottom line, you joined QNet, you became an IR, all right, to make money. And you know the comp plan pays you 250. Now with the Bonanza for the next 90 days, you get paid additional money. Consider it a bonus for the same amount of effort you're going to put in your normal activities in QNet. Now Bonanza has been happening every year. And every year we try to change it, modify it to suit what's happening in the world today. Now this year's Bonanza is a bit unique because we reward you based on points. That's the only major difference. Every action you do, like getting a direct referral, you get points. At the end of a certain period, whether it's early bird up to the 23rd of December or up to the 28th of January when Bonanza is over, whatever points you accumulate for all the actions, you convert those points to US dollars and buy some nice stuff. All right? Now the actions we expect from you this Bonanza is focus on the basics of network marketing. Ultimately, as you know, for the past 10 years, I've been shouting from the rooftops, Rule 3. Rule 3 is a simple philosophy that a networker never stops networking. A networker never stops networking. That showing the plan must be in your blood. It's what we do. It's our livelihood. So bottom line, this Bonanza, we are rewarding people firstly for direct referrals. So the next 90 days, whether you are a leader, whether you just signed up, whether you've been in the business for 5 years, or you are the grand numero uno, number one upline king of your network, doesn't matter. You go out there and get your direct referrals. This Bonanza is set out to reward you for direct referrals. Now, why is direct referrals important? Because ultimately, direct referrals is your own effort of showing the plan and closing somebody. Something many of us have stopped doing. We have become managers. We are no longer networkers. So for the next 90 days, stop being a manager. Start being a networker again. So even if your check is $5,000 or $10,000 or $500, you still go out there and show as many presentations as you can, close as many direct referrals as you can. All right? Because for every direct referrals, you get 10 points. That's yours. So the habit of most uplines to be, benevolent, all right? You give your direct referrals away. Here, take my direct referral, put your own name. Don't do it this Bonanza, because you lose out. Ultimately, you join this business to make money. And this Bonanza is giving you an opportunity to make more money. All right? So direct referrals is one thing we are focused on. Now, some of you have watched a video I made many years ago called Act 48, which is activate your direct referrals within 48 hours. Why? Because that's the normal standard. Getting 2 direct referrals for anyone in 48 hours is normal. Getting 4, 6, 8, 10, right? You're Superman. But getting 2 is not special. Getting 2 doesn't mean you're super successful. Getting 2 is the norm. So in 48 hours, you must help all your directs activate by finding 2 directs for themselves. Now, please wake up and smell the coffee. If you become a networker, and you cannot get 2 people to sign up in 48 hours, there's something wrong with you. You should rethink your whole concept of life. Alright, because I remember Dato Vijay told me when I first joined, Padman, you must have 2 people who are willing to do anything for you. 2 people in your circle of influence who would jump on any boat you jump on, who are there at one phone call at 2 in the morning. Alright, you need to activate people because you get rewarded for activation. For every direct referral you activate, you get 20 points. Simple, mathematics, logical. Alright, why? Because if somebody signs up, you must strike when the iron is hot. And the best time to get them to go and sign up people is the first 48 hours. I strongly believe in this philosophy. The first 48 hours decides whether that person is going to be switched on or switched off. You got to make the decision. So get your direct referrals and immediately work on them to get their 2 and activate them. So remember, this bonanza is about direct referrals and activating them. The most fundamental principles of network marketing. It's a quick start. It's starting the momentum with a bang. You understand? So whatever you used to do before the bonanza, you must change your paradigm. This bonanza requires all of you, whichever part of the world you are, Egypt, Ivory Coast, Indonesia, Malaysia, India, all right, any part of Africa, Middle East, Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Turkey, or Europe. Change your paradigm. The next 90 days, you eat, sleep, and only think. Bonanza, bonanza, bonanza. Your aggressiveness, if it was here, during bonanza, it must be here. That you got to push yourself and push your people much harder. The focus on this bonanza, direct referrals and activating them. Direct referrals and activating them. That means pull out your paper, pull out your pen, go back to the basics, take out your name list, call the people you wanted to call for the past 1 year but you never did. Alright, go back to the basics, 8 basic building blocks, take out your list, call every person, sit down, show them this great, unbelievable opportunity called QNet and get them to sign up, full stop. Get them to sign up, direct referrals. And then the minute they sign up, sit with them, get their name list out, all right? Get them to sign up their 2. Now remember, signing up 2 is normal. It's not exceptional. It's what all of us did when we started. Most of us, the leaders you see today, the V partners, signed up 30, 40 people in our first 2 days. That's how aggressive we were. We start with a bang. That's why it's called bonanza with a bang. All right? So focus on activating your direct referrals as soon as possible. Now the next paradigm shift is that QNet has a lot of products, right, which you have to buy. You have to buy one QUV to be part of this bonanza. You're going to buy that QUV immediately. You should buy it now. There's amazing products which you like, you see on the e-store, but because there is no requirement to buy another product, most people don't buy their second product. So this is an opportunity for you to focus on the e-store and choose one of the most amazing products you ever want. A watch, another BioDisc for a family member, jewelry, all right, the Swiss e-learning, unbelievable online learning systems, right? We got a range of products which you buy for one QUV to qualify yourself to be part of this bonanza. But there's a second stage to it. 2012, our focus is to make you shop at QNet. Like you go shopping. Every week, every month, you buy all kinds of stuff outside and make other people rich. You make Sam Walton rich, you make the owners of Carrefour, all right, and Tesco, all the big hypermarkets, you make them rich by buying all kinds of stuff. You make, Chanel rich. You make Calvin Klein rich when you buy all kinds of stuff for your face, body, whatever. But the paradigm shift which we want to see this bonanza is that QNet will be putting up a range of non-qualifying products. That means products which carry UV, all right, but they're not qualifying UV. They're smaller UV which goes all the way to your tracking center, all the way up to your upline. So everyone benefits, but it's smaller UV. Now to reward this, every time you buy or retail 90 US worth of consumable repeat purchase products, you get 2 points. All right, now that's 90 bucks. Go online to our e-store and shop till you drop. Spend $200, $300. Buy things you want, all right? And buy things you don't really want, but you still buy it. Because ultimately, you have to be loyal to one place. That's QNet. And in 2012, we are going to increase the quantity of repeat purchase consumable products for you to buy in various markets around the world. So you just shop. Every Friday, sit with the family in front of your iMac, all right, and you shop. What does daddy want? Buy something even for your mother-in-law, all right? I know you don't like her or whatever, doesn't matter, but think of the UV, which goes to your tracking center all the way up. So shop for your mother-in-law and get richer. Now this bonanza requires aggressive marketing, requires you to be extremely focused and talk about it, all right? So you must talk about the importance of direct referrals. You must talk about the importance of activation of your direct referrals. And you must talk about the repeat purchase products. That means shop from QNet. Shop from QNet. Our e-store becomes your own private boutique where you can buy small stuff, cheaper stuff, which you use day to day in your lives. All right? Now, this bonanza has an early bird. And usually, whichever country in the world, everyone has the last minute mentality. Let's wait till the last day. Let's wait till the last day of bonanza or the last day of early bird. Change that paradigm. Because what happens when you wait for the last minute, everyone in your network switches off, remains switched off until they come closer to the last day. And then, boom, everything happens, everyone flushes out or maxes out. All right? So start the momentum early. Get people to qualify for as many points as you can. There are no shares in this bonanza, there's points. So you can accumulate 1,000 points and convert for a lot of money before early bird, more money. So the early bird part of it, okay, all right, we give a bonus for 50 points. Normally you get 150 US, but early bird we give you another 50 US, making it 200 US for 50 points accumulated. If you accumulate 100 points, normally you get 500 US, but during early bird you get another 100 US, which is 600 US. Now I want you to think about this, all right? 100 points is easy to get. You get an additional 500 US, 500 US extra on top of your 250. So technically this bonanza is about you earning extra money at the end of the year. But that's one stage, the money. The second aspect is whatever momentum you create during the bonanza 90 days will jump you into 2012 with an active network, with a switched on network. All right, so most people switch off during New Year, Christmas. Everyone switches off, go back home, stare at the ceiling and sing Kumbaya. And then when it comes to 2012, they can't start. They have to wake up all their networkers. Come on, wake up, you can do it, unbelievable. Too much hard work. So don't repeat that mistake. Create your momentum now, carry it for 90 days. You're already in 2012. You start 2012 with a bang. Direct referrals, activation, activating them, and shop from your own personal boutique in QNet eStore. This bonanza is your opportunity to make more money, sign up more people, create excitement in your network, help your downlines earn more money so they can achieve financial freedom sooner, all right? And most importantly, the momentum you create will be unbelievable. The momentum you create will take you into 2012, all right, like a Ferrari. It's going to go into 2012 with a bang, all right? Now, I'm going to be sending you more videos after this, every week if possible, but there's only one thing on your mind, one thing coming out of your mouth, one thing when you write on the paper: bonanza, 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 with a bang. And the most unbelievable bonanza from QNet 2011, the V.